Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at an altcoin chart. We're going to take a look at the updated Cronos chart. CRO has been requested by some of you, so let's go. Okay, so we are on the daily market update website, dailymarketupdate.com. Feel free to register here. You can do that completely for free and you get access to all of these updates. Let's click on the Cronos update here. And like many other altcoins, Cronos has not yet really taken off. So the altcoin sector is still very much volatile, yes, but hasn't really performed as well as maybe in previous cycles. So let's take a look at the chart. Looking at the weekly chart, there is still a potential here as per this analysis that Cronos in a larger degree third wave rallies to $1.29 plus. We're now currently trading around 9 cents. And you can see that, yes, there has been a bit of a rally since the end of last year, but we particularly take a look at the weekly chart to get an overview of the long-term projections. Now, they are not guaranteed outcomes. They are simply projections based on wave structures. There are certain conditions. Any analysis is based on if-then conditions. So if certain support levels, for example, break, then this projection will not be valid anymore and the market might take another route. The main benefit of the analysis is to understand when those ideal roadmaps are breaking or when the market is deviating from certain structures. So the weekly, however, shows us that as long as certain levels are holding that we can take a look at on the 4-hour chart, the market has a chance to get to $1.29 plus. One catalyst for this might be the altcoin season, which hasn't started yet. Altcoin seasons historically usually happen at some point in a bull market. When it's gonna start is very difficult to say. In this bull market, in this crypto bull market, certainly the altcoins have been so far not performing as well as they have done in the past in previous bull markets. So that might still be outstanding for Cronos. So you can see that a third wave should take us minimally to $1.29. You can see that this overall correction here, might have completed end of last year. We had an overshooting B wave, which is very common in crypto. And we're watching for more signals that the third wave has indeed started. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Here you can see those key levels that I mentioned. I mean, the 4-cent level is absolute key. At the moment, actually, it looks quite likely that the price will break below that 4-cent level. It will not necessarily invalidate bullish, let's say, upside in a larger degree third wave, but it would be a bit of a setback. Actually, as per the primary scenario, we expect this to break this level. And it just highlights here that the 4-cent level is an absolute key support level. It could hold, and if it's holding, then we might see a third wave rally to the upside a little bit sooner. But for now, it actually looks as if we might go down a little bit lower in wave 2. Okay, so as you can see here, the idea would be that this wave 5 of C of 2 forms one more leg down, and that might give the price the chance to recover properly in an impulsive fashion. Now, in an alternative scenario, which we at least, also assign a proper 40%, the market might have already bottomed and we could see a breakout earlier. Now, there is a key breakout signal to the upside, which is the 18-cent level. So if the price breaks above the 18-cent level, which is the previous swing high that formed in March, any further downside as per this structure will be formally invalidated. We would then have to assume that we're already rallying in a third wave. Now, if we go back to the weekly chart, it means that we're moving in a third wave within the larger third wave. Okay, so it doesn't mean we go in a straight line to $1.29, but it means that this is a key level, and if we break above it, it opens the door to that $1.29 plus level. So it's just an absolute key level, but as long as we stay below that level, one more low is actually preferred. Now, a break below 4 cents will not invalidate the overall bullish thesis, but it definitely would be a setback and it would just extend everything a little bit. Yeah. So obviously we already were watching for possibly a reversal from here, from this support zone, which was broken. So now we say, okay, we're waiting a little bit, That break of that support area was definitely an indication that we should be a bit more cautious about Cronos, but also other altcoins. And we now just simply want to see how the market is going to react once another low is formed. And then if we see a decent structure from a low, we can add the next trading area. I feel it's a bit too early for that at the moment because there's quite a lot of uncertainty around this chart, but the levels are clear: 4 cents to the downside and the 18-cent level to the upside. And the overall bullish thesis is still alive. That's the update about Cronos. Hope you liked the update. If you did, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and also make sure that you register on the website completely for free for these daily Elliott Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.